You two are so cute together.
Wait, is it on? Yep.
Baby.
It's on. Oh my god. Okay, so hi everyone. I'm here with my friend Sariana. We are going to unbox these. This one's already unboxed. I just got this here for decoration. Wait. Oh. Okay. I'll turn it on. There. Okay. Okay. Sariana, which one do you want to unbox?
This one?
Okay.
Okay. This one is really cool. It has
Of course
everything.
it's really cool.
Okay, it's really cool because it has these beds and all these swords and stuff. So let's open it.
You don't even know what it is. Okay, so we're going to be opening up this one, too. And we're going to be opening up this one. Sariana's just here to come over and watch some videos. Are we going to swim? Did you bring your swimming?
Oh my god. I'm just so I'm almost done. So okay, here it is.
Oh, we were just talking about the pool, sorry.
Yeah.
I
We can vlog us swimming so y'all guys can see.
No, I don't have a water camera.
It's alright, they can use this like
You can hold it. Wait, no, I don't trust you. You're going to drop it.
No, I'm not.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I have these two. These two. I have the crafting table, and I have this chest. And this one can actually open with stuff inside. So y'all guys can see that it can open with all these. Yeah.
I got some, and here I got some hay. I
But
don't
actually,
walk
these can't open, so
because it's a crafting table.
yeah.
A horse and a little piggy. And finally, Steve. This is what's in mine. She's going to show you the rest that's in here.
I have the bed right there. Yeah, you can see it.
There is another Steve, so you're not going to show them that, okay?
I'm gonna open this and I put it in the chest. So,
You want to open this one, though?
yeah, you can open this.
I'll open it. I'll open it.
Next, I have. Hold on. Sorry. Hold on.
Why are you acting so nice lately? I'm just kidding. You're like, because I am nice.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this just flew out.
You're
And
you're like,
I have a pickaxe. Oh, you guys can see. I have a pickaxe
Wait.
right here. You guys can see.
No, they
A
can't.
pickaxe.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I have a pickaxe right here. Okay, I'm gonna put it
this out.
in this chest. Right here, where I just showed you. So I'm gonna put it in this chest. In there.
Got it.
There it is. It's in there. And
And mine.
and
My. Hey, no, wait your turn. Those are mine. After this, we're going to make a video, but in mine, I have another little piggy, a sheep, a weird cow that has brains. No brains. A cat, an ocelot, a dog, a wolf, a dog, whatever, a chicken, and don't talk. And we're going to make a video of this after. Let's put all the trash to the side for now.
okay. And now I have. Hold on. Let's just sneak the pop out of here.
You want to help?
I have a knife. Y'all guys can see that. I have a knife.
Knife? You mean a sword?
A sword, yes. I get mixed up. Now I'm going to put it in this chest I just showed y'all. Good.
I'm going to break this.
Good. There it is.
So we're going to do a little video after this. This is going to be 2 parts. Okay? For the video. Like the little acting.
We're just going to make a house. So.
We're not going to make a
Yeah,
house.
I'm going to make a house. I'm going to
Liar.
get my Steve. Where's my Steve?
Steve's right here.
Where's Steve?
Steve's right here.
I got Steve.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to set up
I got Steve, and I have the bed.
Oh.
I have the bed.
And I have
So,
hay. Hey, Amy. I got hay.
I got the Steve. I'm gonna set up a little house room. There you go. You just go.
This is called the Emperor Pig.
And this is Steve's other friend.
Hey, no!
That's Steve's other friend.
I know!
And-
This is called the Piggy Tower. I need this. Okay? I need all the blocks.
Yours abandoned.
Okay.
And I need this. This is called the Piggy Tower.
We also have a horse
Hey,
right
Ruth,
there.
they have to see the Piggy Tower. Hey! I'm really not
I like
cool.
this wolf because I like wolves.
Because you like
And last
wolves?
month I saw 2 deers and a wolf, and I saw the wolf eat its guts. So this is like, no, I don't want to hear that. So
Okay.
it's right here.
And this is called the Double Extreme Pig
I have
Tower.
a kitty cat right here. I have a kitty cat right there. So it's so cool.
Okay.
And it can move its tail just side by side, up and down. And when it's pooping, it can go up. Yeah. Okay, we have that one. And we have chicken that helps us lay eggs.
And give us
It lays
milk.
eggs, really.
It
Yes.
lays milk. Not eggs.
It's like
Rihanna.
chicken dancing.
I don't know what you're talking about. This lays eggs. You see this? This thing lays eggs. That lays.
Okay,
lays.
this one, the eggs and
milk.
its wings can go.
It lays milk. Oh, I took this.
Yeah,
one.
this one,
Where's the carrot?
it's really cool. I just kill them on Minecraft every time when I get one. They
Yeah.
eat me.
We got Xbox. If you want to see that, but you don't. Wait, am I showing? Hi.
And
Why
its
am I
head
on
can go
board?
crazy just like that.
Wait, what?
There's a arrow. That plays pig thing.
Oh,
sheeps. These are really cool. I
No,
get them
and
to
they
get
poop.
blocks.
They
Okay, I'm leaving.
Okay.
Goodbye. You guys are adorable.
And for the wolf.
Bye. Okay.
Sorry, guys.
yeah. Hey, you're not in my show. Get out of here.
Okay, I have a pig. 2 pigs, okay?
And
And I have a horse.
This is called the Extreme Cow Tower. But I want to. It's my channel.
I have this big old diamond thing that lays eggs.
Yeah, lay eggs.
Yeah. It glows up.
This is called the Extreme Cow Tower. Everyone sits on it.
Okay, Steve can go back. Steve can go back.
Here, let's
Show Steve what he can
Here's
do.
a horse. Ray!
I'm pooping. Ooh.
Okay, quit talking about that. Now I'm pooping. Ooh, I'm just
Okay.
kidding. Amy, quit. Where are you gonna end it? End it. No.
Okay, I have this bed right here, so I'm gonna lay it in it.
Hey, don't end this. Oh, okay,
And-
sorry, but we're about to end it.
Right here.
And then-
okay,
But bye. We'll see you
Next
next time.